What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am so excited because I am finally getting to share with you our master bedroom and master bathroom tour. We've been in our house for almost 5 months now, which is like insane. It does not feel like that long, but this was one of the first rooms that I wanted to get done because I feel like when my bedroom's good, I feel good. Like I could have the rest of my house be in chaos, but like if this room is like together and I have a nice area to like sleep and chill in, which because we spend a lot of time up here, I'm happy. And so this room has really come together. When we bought it, the walls were like a super dark, like denim kind of color. They were like a really dark blue and it just wasn't our vibe, but I feel like we found the perfect balance between making it like sleek and glam like the rest of our house, while also still being like warm and inviting in a place that we want to spend time and relax in. So I'm so excited to share everything with you guys today. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want tours of more rooms in our house, and let me know down below what you guys are most interested in. I would love to hear. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so here are the doors. Now let's go and check out the master bedroom. I'll give you guys a little layout of the room first so you guys can see everything. Little panoramic view. So when you first walk into the room, there's like a little sitting area, which I wasn't really 100% sure what to do with this area at first. We don't really sit here that often. So I kind of just made it like a cute little sitting area, but then I also wanted to have an area where I could take OOTDs. So I could just like stand in this mirror and take little OOTDs if I wanted to. Hey guys, but it's a really, really large mirror. I love it. I got this at HomeGoods. So I put that kind of as the centerpiece. I got these sconces. They're Restoration Hardware dupes. I got them off of Amazon. Prior owners like had a different light fixture here anyways, like there was already sconces, so I just switched them out to something that was a little bit more my taste. I can link those down below. They were really affordable. And then either side, I just put these bookcases. I actually got these from Walmart. I had them in my old house in our office, but I think they're really cute. I love the golds. I wanted this room to be like golds and neutrals and grays and stuff, so I just kind of styled them with some neutral sort of decor pieces and pretty little things like some coffee table books. Pretty much anything you guys see on these bookcases is from HomeGoods, so you should be able to go to your local HomeGoods and hopefully find some of this stuff. That Tom Ford book I've had for a while. I think I got that off Amazon, but everything else is pretty much HomeGoods and all really affordable stuff. I love these little pompous things. I just got those last week at HomeGoods. I thought they looked cute at the top, kind of like springing out from the top. So that's this little area. We have this big window here, which I love because it gives off a lot of light and you can kind of look over our backyard, which we still have snow. Like, oh my gosh, it doesn't matter how warm it gets, that snow over there will not melt. It was literally 70 last week, but now it's back to being like 30. But I like that we can see the backyard, and then we have these chairs here. If you sit in this one, you can just kind of look out the window. They're like these little furry chairs. I had these in the living room of my old house, so I just repurposed them and put them in here. I like them. Do we ever really sit in those chairs? No, I'll be honest with you guys. I think Steven sat in them like once, but maybe as we get older, like we'll utilize the sitting area in our room. I don't know, or maybe as time goes on, we'll change this area up, but this is as it is now. I didn't really have to buy many things to go in here. A lot of it was furniture that I already had, but I liked the way that I was able to piece it together because all this furniture was in different rooms in my old house, and I just kind of pieced it together to make this cute sitting room. So I like that. But now let's get into the main area. Okay, so as you get past the little sitting room area, then you move into our actual bedroom area, but I think I'll go through and do the tour of that. I'll do that last, save the best for last. And I'll show you guys our master bathroom first, just because that's like right here. There's these two double doors. We loved this bathroom when we saw it. It's kind of echoey because there's all like this tile, but the prior owners that we bought the house from had renovated this about a year ago, and I love how they did it. It's just very like classy and classic, and I love like how it's set up. It works really, really well for Steven and I. Just like a marbly kind of tile on the floor, and then we each have our own vanities. I'm sure you guys can tell which side is mine versus which side is my husband's, which his is kind of barren, because obviously he doesn't have as many products as I do. And then they're just like white vanities with a little like marble top, sink, cute little mirror. I'm showing you guys my husband's side because his side is normally cleaner because mine is always like gunked with makeup, but I did clean it for this video. And then over here, we just have our scale, which this is from Vanity Planet. We are obsessed with this. This is the best scale, like for real. I want to thank Vanity Planet so much for partnering with me on this section of today's video, but y'all can go back on my channel. I have had this scale for like, it's been with me through like every apartment, my other house to this house. Like I have had it for years. This is the best scale. I love it so much. First of all, it actually like looks sleek, like it's cute, but beyond that, it's more than just a scale. It's a body analyzer, and that's what I really like. Not only will it give you your weight, but it's gonna break it down for you and tell you what's your body fat, what's your muscle mass, what's your water weight, and what's your bone mass. And those numbers are so much more important than really just what the scale says. For myself personally, I've been on a weight loss journey, and sometimes you won't see the scale fluctuate at all if you're just seeing like your number in pounds. But what you don't realize is maybe you've lost body fat, but you've gained muscle. So the weight is staying the same, but you've lost body fat. That's why I love this so much, is I feel like it gives you such a better insight into like what's going on. And even if you're not on a weight loss journey, I feel like it's nice to know those additional things. Oh my goodness, my camera just fell off the ledge. Okay, we are back. I'm scared she broke. But it's also really easy because you can set up to 8 profiles with this, which is nice. So it can analyze your body to exactly who you are. So I absolutely love this. It's sold out all the time, but right now it is in stock on their website. And Vanity Planet hooked us up with a 60% off code. You guys can use code KellyScale to get 60% off. Just click the link down below in the description. It will bring you right there and automatically apply the code for you, and y'all can get ready for summer. So this is my side. Obviously, you know, I do this for a living. I do have a lot of products. So I have these Billy bookcases from IKEA. I just bought the bookcases and then the doors from IKEA and put them on either side so I can store like a bunch of products. A lot of my most used products for like skincare and hair care are in here instead of in the beauty room, and these little bookcases really are, you know, nice to just have everything organized. So I do really like that. We have these towels, which I think are super cute, Mrs. and then hers. I just kind of put them here. They're really just for style. We don't actually use them. My husband has like the his and Mr. one over there because our real towels we just have on either side of the shower doors here. And I love this tub. These standalone tubs are so pretty. I'm kind of embarrassed to admit it, but I have not taken a bath in here yet. I feel like since we moved in here, I've just been so busy, so I have not ever taken a bath in here yet. So definitely need to get to doing that soon. And then we just have this big window here, which I need to get some sort of window treatment for. It is just open to like nothing, so it's not like there's anything out there. It's just like our property and stuff, but still feel like I should probably, you know, put something on these windows. But they're so pretty, so I don't like to like cover them up. Like I just feel like this is like a pretty little shot, you know? Now this next thing is so extra, and this is something that I love about this house. You guys will see behind me is that there's 2 doors in our bathroom. The prior owners that we got the house from, they built the master bath with 2 different toilets, like one for the husband and one for the wife, which at first I was like, that's so weird, like why? But I've actually learned to love it, like have my own little space, so they each just have like a little toilet in them. It's really not much to see. It's just literally a little closet with a toilet. They're each exactly the same, tub, a toilet, whatever in them. So yeah, at first I thought that was really weird that there was 2 separate ones, and I was like, I feel like that's just a weird use of space. Like I would have rather one been like a closet, because there is no linen closet in the bathroom, it's in the hallway. But as time has gone on, I do actually like that. Just being able to have like my own space, and then my husband has his own over there, and we don't have to share them. All right, now let's go check out the main area of the bedroom. All right, so here is the main part of the bedroom. I love how this turned out. I wanted it to be like glam and like match the rest of our house, but also still be like cozy and inviting, and I just love it so much. We spend so much time up here. We normally just like watch TV up here at night and just hang out, and I just love how everything turned out. So this fireplace I got a couple years back off Overstock. I love it. I always get a bunch of questions about it, so if I can find it, I'll link it down below. We have our TV up above it, and we have LED lights behind this TV like we do with every single TV in our house. You can change the color of the lights to whatever you want on your phone. And we got them off Amazon. They're like 15 bucks, so I can link them down below, and they're completely controlled by your phone, so you can turn them on and off, change it to any color. I just have like a basic kind of white color on there right now. But that's our little TV area. We have a window, and then we have our dresser area right over here. So this is our dresser. It's mirrored. I got this because we already had these mirrored end tables, and so I was kind of like, okay, let me just get a dresser that matches them, because the dressers that we were using previously in our old house were literally from Walmart that I had when I lived in college. I had them for like 6 good years, so they lasted, but it was time for a new one. They were kind of falling apart towards the back. because they had been through one too many moves. They were like, all right, we've served our time. So I did invest in getting a new dresser. I got it off Wayfair and it actually fits a lot of stuff. So I do like that. So that is our dresser. And then on top, I just added like a little bit of decor. So we have these candlesticks with these candles. These are actually like LED candles. So they're like fake little lights that you can turn on, but I don't have any batteries in them right now. I have a bunch of my perfumes here. Just a little picture of a chandelier that I thought was pretty. This is actually a gift from one of our friends and it actually has like rhinestones on it. So I think she got this at TJ Maxx, she said. So that's right there. And then we have my pampas. I love these. I got them off Amazon and I just think they're so pretty. I love like the natural kind of vibes they add. So we have those with this little vase that I got from TJ Maxx, all super affordable. And I loved the gray with the gold kind of vibes. So that is our little dresser section. And then we have our main bed area, which I love. Oh my gosh, love it so much. So this bed is like the coolest bed ever. I am so glad that we got this. I ordered it off of Wayfair and it comes in a couple different colors. So if you don't like the gray, it definitely comes in other colors as well. And I just feel like it looks so cool because the mattress kind of floats in the middle of the bed and it's just like a really big piece and I really like it. And the best part is that it's actually a storage. So you can open this up, but you can open it up and then you have storage. Like I have this like heating pad thing in here, random clicker. I don't think there's really anything over here, but there's a lot of storage and it goes all the way on the sides as well. Like over here, these are all storage too, which is really cool. So I do like that. I always get a bunch of questions about the neon sign above our bed. So it says, "It was all a dream." And I love it. I got it off of Etsy. There's a lot of sellers on Etsy that'll make like custom like neon signs that say whatever you want. But we just got this one that says, "It was all a dream." I saw something like this on Pinterest and I was like, oh my God, I need it. So we just put that above the bed. I feel like in some areas of my old house, I like over decorated. Like there was just so much stuff everywhere. It looked like a Home Goods just like threw up. And I wanted to try and not do that in this house. So I kind of like run going in between, like, does this look too barren? Do I need something more? Am I gonna put too much? I wanted it to look like sleek, but still homey at the same time. So let me know your thoughts down below, but I kind of just like the vibes of the neon sign. It's like sleek and simple. The nightstands are both from, I wanna say Hay Needle, which I think is like affiliated with Wayfair or Walmart, but they weren't super expensive and I think they're cute. We've had them for a couple years now. We had these in our old house. We have these small little lights. These are from Target. They were like literally like 15 bucks or something. They're not even plugged in because we've never used them. But I just felt like they needed something on top of the nightstand. So I was like, okay, let's get these gold little things. They're cute enough, whatever. But I didn't want to take up a lot of space on our nightstands because they normally are covered with stuff. Again, because we spend a lot of time up here. So they're normally, you know, cups and remotes and like our phone, charger, whatever, AirPods. So normally there's a lot of stuff on them. So I didn't want to junk them up with much more than needed. So we just got those little lights and I was like, whatever, they're 15 bucks. It's cute enough. Just put it there for like aesthetic purposes, but we don't actually use them. This light fixture I love. This is probably one of my favorite ones that I've purchased for the house. It's a Restoration Hardware dupe, again from Amazon. I think the real one at Restoration Hardware is like $4,000 and I paid like $250 I think for this on Amazon, maybe $300, but it's so pretty. I love the crystals. It gives off like a pretty light and I just love the way that it kind of looks with the rest of the room. And I feel like it just adds a lot to the room. So I really love that. And I can link that down below if any of you guys are interested in it. They have like smaller ones and a bit bigger ones as well on Amazon with the same kind of vibes. Also continuing on with the Amazon theme, I buy everything off Amazon. If you guys are new here, almost all of our bedding is from Amazon as well. This blanket is Amazon. I love it so much. It's so cozy. So it's actually a blanket. It's not like a bedspread or anything. Yeah, I just got this. It's a blanket off Amazon. I saw Jaclyn Hill say that she used a blanket and I was like, that is such a good idea. So I got this one. I think it's a really pretty kind of print, kind of like peacock vibes or something. I don't really know, but I like it. It has like grays and blacks and whites and stuff. Those two gray pillows are from Home Goods. The duvet underneath is Amazon and our sheets are from Amazon. They're like $30 sheets from Amazon and they're so good. Those are the sheets on our bigger pillows, but we do have silk pillowcases just because that's better for the skin. On our other pillows, we each have like two, and there's like a big body pillow in the back here, which Prince actually sleeps on this, and that's from Target. So lots of pillows, and I feel like I might even add a few more like decorative ones because all these we actually sleep with. These are really the only decorative ones that we don't sleep with, so I might add a few more pillows, but right now it's fine. So that is the main area of the bedroom. We have these pillars over here, which are kind of cool, I guess. And they help to kind of separate that sitting area from like the main bedroom area. This is just like a little jewelry holder. This I got off of Wayfair a couple years back, but I love it. It just has different drawers that'll hold like different jewelry and stuff. So I like that a lot, and just have that here to fill this little kind of wall space. But yeah, you guys, that is the master bedroom slash bathroom tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.